Welcome back, anybody. First things first, I guess, is the log that I'm sitting on here is really quite unique, considering that it's going to play a supporting role in 5 separate and individual videos, which has never happened here before. So anyway, that being said, let's move on to, this would be video number 3 that we're about to, 4 that we're about to do. This is video 4. What we're going to be doing is, this is one log that I did a while ago, and the vast majority of this log here is rotten. But I need to cut some stickers, and that's why this video has the title of Sticker Shock, because again, we're going to be cutting this into stickers. There's not much use to any of the lumber that's going to come out of here, I believe, which we're going to take a look at. And again, I'm just going to cut stickers. If you have a sawmill, you understand that there's no such thing as having enough stickers available. So I guess we're going to get started on that. And here we go. All right. Right now that log doesn't look too bad. We're just going to drop the floor. After the fireworks, take a look at the blade here, and it's not undamaged. It is dull. So whatever we hit, the debarker was able to get rid of most of it, but the blade still caught whatever the remnants were, and it will need to be replaced. But the good news is it looks like it is in good enough shape where it can be resharpened. So all in all, the debarker did do its job as best as it could. This is the result of the sticker cutting that we did. We got almost 4 layers of stickers, 4 feet long. I'm quite happy with what we got because, again, it's all free and I was going to throw the log away anyway. So there we go. In closing, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it a little bit. I know it's not as nice as some of the other ones. They're stickers after all. But anyway, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.